Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game. Crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, not launching error on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. This will restart your system. After that, try to launch the game. Remember, this is an important step, so don't forget to restart your PC once. After this, next method is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then under general, here you can see launch option. You need to type -dx11 and then check if you can play the game. If not, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the issue. Next is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the best drivers. If any update is required, update it and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link that I have already provided in the description and update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, go to the install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the files, now check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is run the game as administrator. For that, go to the Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now under compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. And after that, try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then hit on apply and OK. And after that, try to launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings and after that, here you need to search for the game if it's added over here. If not, click on allow another app, then go to the browse section, then go to the game folder, select your game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game application, then make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After this, try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings, then click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. Click on it to disable and after that, launch the game and see if it helps. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So if it's so, then it's suggested to check the settings of the particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next is to close other background processes. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under process tab, you need to search for those apps which is consuming high resources or if no use, select the game application. After that, right click on it and click on end task. So this will close the app completely from your system and after that, try to play the game and see if it resolves the problem. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid such an unwanted issue. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you need to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. And after updating your Windows, now try to play the game and see if it helps. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU setting. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU and GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphic settings. Now here you need to add your game, so click on add a desktop app, then go to the game folder, select your game and add it to the list. After adding it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You need to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through the link that I have already provided in the description, copy it and paste it in your browser. After that, download and install the files, and finally restart your PC and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. So go to the web browser, opening the website, go below, and here you have to click on it to download the Visual C++ files. After downloading, install it, and once installed, restart your system once, and after restarting, try to launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, the final solution is to reinstall Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game. For that, go to Steam, under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Manage, and click on Uninstall, and finally click on Uninstall option. This will remove the game from your system. After removing the game, restart your PC. After restarting your system, launch Steam, and again reinstall Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game on your system. After that, try to play it and check if everything is working fine. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the game crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.